I am Dasar Venkatesai of ECEA. Today I am going to the topic of parallel resonance in the subject circuit analysis. Parallel resonance. Parallel resonance means when the circuit current is in phase with the applied voltage of an AC circuit containing an inductor and a capacitor connected together in parallel. Let us understand the parallel resonance with the help of a circuit diagram shown below. Consider an inductor of L Henry having some resistance of R ohms connected in parallel with a capacitor of capacitance C farads. A supply voltage of V volts is connected across these elements. The circuit current IR will only be in phase with the supply voltage when the following condition given below in the equation is satisfied. IC equal to IL sin phi L. Thus, contents we are going to see are phasor diagram, frequency at resonance condition in parallel resonance circuit, effect of parallel resonance. Phasor diagram. The phasor diagram is given in the circuit as shown below. At resonance condition, the circuit draws the minimum current, as under this condition the reactive component of current is suppressed. Frequency at resonance condition is parallel resonance circuit. The value of inductance reactance XL is equal to 2 pi FL and capacitive inductance XC equal to 1 by 2 pi FC can be changed by charging the supply frequency as the frequency increases. The value of XL and consequently the value of ZL increases. As a result, there is a decrease in the magnitude of current I2 and this I2 current lags behind the voltage V. On the other hand, the value of the capacitive reactance decreases and consequently the value of IC increases at some frequency F are called resonance frequency. IC equal to IL sin phi L, where the equation IL equal to V by ZL, sin phi L is equal to XL by ZL and IC equal to V by XC. V by XC equal to V by ZL into XL by ZL, or XL XC is equal to ZL square, or omega L by omega C equal to ZL square, that is equal to R square plus XL square, or L by C equal to R square plus 2 pi FRL whole square, or 2 pi FRL equal to root of L by C minus R square, or FR equal to 1 by 2 pi L, that is equal to root of L by C minus R square, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of 1 by LC minus R square L square. If R is very small as compared to L, the resonant frequency will be FR equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. The effect of parallel resonance. At parallel resonance line circuit, IR equal to IL cos phi, or V by ZR equal to V by Z1 into R by Z1, or 1 by ZR equal to R by ZL square, or 1 by ZR equal to R by L by C, that is equal to CR by L, as ZL square is equal to L by C. Therefore, the circuit impedance will be given as ZR equal to L by CR. The following conclusions are made from the above discussion about the parallel resonance. The circuit impedance is purely resistive because there is no frequency term present in it. If the value of inductance, capacity and resistance is in Henry, farads or ohm, then the value of circuit impedance ZR will be in ohms. The value of ZR will be very high because the ratio L by C is very large at parallel resonance. The value of circuit current IR is equal to V by ZR is very small because the value of ZR is very high. The current flowing through the capacitor and the coil is much greater than the line current because the impedance of each branch is quite lower than the of circuit impedance ZR. Since the parallel resonance circuit can draw a very small current and power from the mains, therefore it is also called as rejector circuit.